I'd like to introduce you to a very simple yet delicious flavorful strawberry lemon cake. The cake is pillowy soft and the sweetness is taken to another level because you cook the strawberries with the batter. The lemon zest and the juice makes the cake moist and zingy. The strawberry and the lemon melts into the batter and makes a dreamy natural flavor. I followed Hada at home's recipe, but since I didn't have Greek yogurt at home, I used whipping cream. You can use Greek yogurt or sour cream, or just plain milk. Put 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar in the water and let it sit for 5 minutes. Then wash each strawberries with care. Let it drain completely. Strawberries that go into the batter will be cut into 8 pieces. And the strawberries for the topping will be cut into half. I accidentally cut them into 4 pieces, but it really doesn't matter. I also used a 15 centimeter wide circular pan for this recipe, but if you use a wider pan, then you will need more strawberries on the top. You need 30 grams of lemon juice and a grated lemon zest. Lemon zest contains a far more fragrance and zing than juice, so please do not omit. I always make lemon zest and juice and freeze them, and use them whenever I need them. In a large bowl, whisk 150 grams of cake flour, 5 grams of baking powder, and 1 gram of baking soda. Then add rest of the ingredients. 150 grams of whipping cream, 50 grams of oil, 1 whole egg, 100 grams of sugar of any kind, 1 gram of salt, 3 grams of vanilla extract, and last but not least, the lemon juice and the zest. Whisk until well combined. Prepare your circular pan with a parchment paper or a butter or oil. Pour only the half of the batter into the pan. Flatten it out and put the strawberries cut into 8 pieces. Now pour the rest of the batter. Finish it off with strawberries. Preheat the oven and bake it for an hour under 170 degrees. I placed the parchment paper on the top after 20 minutes because my oven tends to burn the top. Since I used a 50 centimeter circular pan, it took an hour, but if you use a wider pan, then you should adjust the time accordingly, which is around 50 minutes. Take it out of the oven and take time to cool. After it is cold enough, you can take the cake out of the pan. When you take a bite out of it, you know spring is near. The strawberries inside the batter is melted into the batter and it really makes the cake moist and full of flavor. It's easy to make, so please enjoy your strawberry baking.